The disassemble of a kit allows you to take a pre-built kit that's already been made, and disassemble it, break it back down into its component parts. So it may be a kit that you made up and don't require anymore, or a kit that was actually sold to somebody and returned. So you enter the quantity of that kit that you want to disassemble, and it then calculates what the cost price is going to be. So it takes the average price and gives you the ability to manipulate the percentage split to give you a slightly different cost price. Now, it must always equal 100%, but you can manipulate those prices around to maybe load one item higher than the other one. You can also add a part or remove a part. So say, for example, this kit came back and something was missing, but you still want to disassemble the rest. Or it could have come back with an item in it that you weren't expecting, but you also want to add to the disassembly. So you can add a part or remove a part to the kit that initially went out. If I disassemble the kit now, what's effectively happened, if we look at the stock record, is that that kit has now been issued out of stock. So it's been written off, and all the component parts would have been put back into stock. As well as disassembling a kit, I can also ignore the kit option and just disassemble a stock item that's in place. So I'm not worried about even if I didn't make it in the first place. I've got a finished item in stock, and I just want to disassemble that item.